Welcome friends to my channel AB Infotech. Today I will discuss about a specific problem of Windows 10. Friends, when we try to connect a printer in network in Windows 10 systems, we will face the problem. The problem is fix error 0x0000011B. Windows cannot connect to the printer. The problem is occurred in Windows 10 system. We can resolve the printer problem by two steps. First, we have to go to the printer PC. Printer PC means where the printer is installed, and note down the name of the printer PC. How can I know what is the name of the printer PC? Click Properties, select Advanced System and Settings. Here are the options of computer names. Click that. Here it will show what is the name of the printer PC. Full computer name. Please note down the name of the printer PC. And we have to know what is the username of the PC. How can I know what is the username of the PC? Click Control Panel, go to the user account. Here it will be show what is the username. Here the username is user. In this machine, the computer name is printer PC, user name is user. Now we have to click Windows button, go to the settings, go to the accounts and go to the sign in options and click password key. Here we have to give a password of the system. Give a new password, confirm the password and give password hints. After that, you press Windows key and R and write regedit regedit and click OK. In regedit in the left side you click Heki local machine, click system, click current control set, click control and find print option. Double click the print option and here you write the new DW32 value, give the name RPC AUTHN LEVEL privacy 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 enabled ENABLED. Double click that and set the value data 0 and click OK, and after that restart the systems. And now we have to go the second step where we open the other system or network system where we want to connect the net printer. In network machine, but in other machine, we have to first go to the control panel and click credential manager, click Windows credential and click add a Windows credential, where we write down the name of the printer PC where the printer is installed. Like example, name of the printer PC is printer PC. Then go to the username option. Write down the username of the printer PC where his printer is installed. Username means user account. Write example. Username is user and write down the password of the specific system and click OK. Now you go to the Windows key or press Windows key and R together and double click, write down double slash. After double slash you write down the name of the printer PC where your printer is connected. Like example, I write down printer PC, name of the system where is the printer installed and click OK. Here will show the printer name. You just right click and connect. Your printer will be installed. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Here is the options of regedit. Please note down that. Thank you. Thank you.